Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2128 indicates a problem in the accelerator pedal position APP sensor B circuit. This code triggers when the output voltage from the APP sensor B exceeds the normal range, which signals the powertrain control module PCM to recognize an irregularity. The APP sensor is vital for determining the driver's throttle demand and communicates this information to the PCM. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, typically located within the vehicle's footwell near the brake and gas pedals. Its role is to relay the position of the pedal, which influences engine performance and fuel efficiency. If not functioning correctly, it can impact the vehicle's acceleration and overall drivability. Following this presentation will help pinpoint the issue and address the underlying causes. The main component affected by DTC P2128 is the accelerator pedal position APP sensor B, which is integrated with the accelerator pedal module and located in the driver's footwell area. This sensor monitors the position of the accelerator pedal and sends voltage signals to the powertrain control module, PCM, to adjust engine throttle correspondingly. A circuit high voltage indicates that the voltage output from the APP sensor is exceeding 4.0 volts, which is outside the normal operating range. The PCM utilizes this data to manage engine performance, so a malfunction could lead to erratic behavior in acceleration or miscommunication of throttle position. Understanding the components involved is crucial for accurate diagnostics and repairs. Several factors may lead to the DTC P2128 error code. A malfunctioning APP sensor B is a primary suspect, as its inability to output correct voltage signals can result in the noted high voltage condition. Additionally, there may be issues with the external circuit wiring, such as shorted wires or open circuits that disrupt the electrical flow. If the other inspections prove normal, but the error persists, then a faulty powertrain control module, PCM, could also be at fault. The PCM interprets the signals sent from the APP sensor, so a software or hardware issue within the PCM may also lead to error code P2128. Each of these causes must be examined sequentially to identify and rectify the underlying problem. The symptoms associated with DTC P2128 can significantly affect vehicle performance. One of the primary indicators is unresponsive acceleration, where the response to pressing the gas pedal is delayed or non-existent. This could be a safety concern for drivers and passengers, particularly in high-traffic situations. Drivers will also notice the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, signaling a fault in the engine management system. Additionally, reduced engine performance may become apparent, as the vehicle may not be able to accelerate effectively, leading to frustrating driving experiences. Understanding these symptoms helps in diagnosing the DTC accurately and promptly addressing it. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2128 is to turn the vehicle ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This will allow you to access the vehicle's electrical systems and test outputs effectively. The next task is to check the APP sensor B voltage using a diagnostic tool. If the APP sensor B voltage value reads more than 4.0 volts during this check, it confirms the malfunction described by the DTC. This step is crucial as it validates the nature of the error as being one of high voltage, thereby steering the troubleshooting process in the correct direction. Proper execution of this step will either confirm the issue or lead you to explore other potential causes. For the second troubleshooting step, begin by disconnecting the APP sensor 6P connector to isolate the sensor from the vehicle's electrical system. With the connector removed, it is essential to measure the voltage output at the connector terminals. You should expect an output voltage of approximately 5.0 volts when the ignition is turned on. This measurement helps ascertain whether the APP sensor or its connections are causing the abnormal high voltage condition. If the voltage falls within normal parameters, the issue likely resides within the accelerator pedal module itself, indicating it may need replacement. However, abnormal readings suggest further inspection is necessary on associated components. In the third troubleshooting step, an SG5 open wire inspection must be performed to check for any resistance in the circuit. Start by ensuring the APP sensor 6P connector remains disconnected, along with disconnecting the PCM connector A as well. This is necessary to test the integrity of the wiring without interference from the electronic components. The expected outcome is that there should not be more than 1 ohm of resistance in the circuit. If higher resistance is detected, it indicates a fault in the circuit, which may require repairs to the wiring or connections. This step is critical in identifying if wiring issues are contributing to the DTC and emphasizes the importance of comprehensive wire integrity checks. The final troubleshooting step involves evaluating the functionality of the powertrain control module, PCM. If earlier tests have confirmed that the APP sensor and wiring are functioning correctly, it may imply PCM failure. Ensuring the PCM operates properly is crucial, as it controls various aspects of engine performance based on the sensor inputs. To complete this evaluation, diagnostics may lead to reinstalling the PCM and verifying its communication with the rest of the vehicle systems. If the PCM fails to perform as expected, it may necessitate replacement. Confirming the PCM's health is the last crucial piece in addressing the DTC P2128 effectively. After completing all necessary repairs or replacements, the final repair verification process plays a vital role in ensuring the issue is resolved. Start by clearing the DTC from the powertrain control module, PCM, to reset any stored error codes. After this step, conduct a test drive under various conditions to monitor for any reoccurrence of the P2128 error. During the test drive, pay attention to the throttle response and ensure that the vehicle accelerates smoothly without any issues. A successful verification leads to confirming that the repairs were effective and that the vehicle operates as expected. This step gives both peace of mind to the technician and reassurance to the vehicle owner that the issue has been thoroughly addressed. Preventive maintenance is an essential aspect of vehicle ownership, particularly concerning electrical components and sensors like the APP sensor. Regular visual inspections can help catch wear and tear before they lead to significant issues. It's vital to inspect the integrity of wires and connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion that may affect electrical flow. Additionally, using treatments or protective measures on connections can prevent corrosion from affecting the system and lead to better performance. Keeping up with routine maintenance ensures that electrical systems function optimally and can extend the lifespan of components like the APP sensor and PCM, ultimately leading to safer and more reliable vehicle operation. In summary, the DTC P2128 indicates a high voltage error in the accelerator pedal position sensor B circuit, impacting engine performance and vehicle acceleration. Understanding the role of the APP sensor, its function, and how it interacts with the PCM is crucial in diagnosing and resolving issues related to this error. Careful execution of the outlined troubleshooting steps and verifications is key to identifying faults accurately. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance practices can alleviate potential problems down the line, ensuring that the electrical and sensor systems remain in good working condition. Effective troubleshooting and maintenance not only improve vehicle reliability, but also enhance overall safety for drivers and passengers alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.